how to create South State Bank online account. So if you want to create a South State Bank online account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for South State Bank online account, and here on the first search you will have www.southstatebank.com. Click on that, which says online and mobile banking, and here on the upper right side you will have login option. Simply click on login, and then if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account with South State online, then you can simply go for the last option, which is enroll in online banking. Click on that. Now to create your account, first you need to enter your social security number, and then you need to enter your account type by simply clicking on the drop down bar and then select checkings account or savings account or loan account. And after choosing, here you need to enter your email address, and then here you need to enter your account number which is associated with your South State Bank, and then you need to enter your phone number here on this blank. So your login ID must be at least 6 but no more than 32 characters, and it should contain at least one letter and may not contain these special characters. So simply create your login ID, and after entering all of this information, including your social security number and account number, you can simply click on continue, and after continuing you'll be ready to create your account. But there will be one step remaining. You need to go for your email or your mobile number to verify your account. You will get a link or a code to your respective email address or your mobile number, and after verifying you will be ready to create your account. And after verifying you can use your account. So that's it. That's how you create your online banking with South State. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.